Yeah. Fuck with me. Fuck with me.
These right here were made to me like freshly baked from an actual like from supporter on TikTok, and you can tell like the difference on like.
I did that in one try and one
consistency of the frosting.
Queen, you did your
and
shit,
you can
Queen.
eat the cookies.
Right, I know. Probably put it.
Because of my
And we got Taquach in the house. What are you doing, papi? Some huevitos?
Help me, Mom.
Help him. You don't need more. You need a new cookie. Is there new cookies for him? We're making the clam chowder for later. I just put the potatoes in there, so it still has to like boil before we put the heavy cream. So yeah, that's what we're doing.
This cookie?
Are you gonna eat clam chowder?
Or you want that?
Did you say no? But yeah, that's what we're doing. And we're still making cookies. We're gonna watch a movie right now. We're waiting for Jose to come down. It's movie time, but I can't show you guys the movie because then we get copyrighted. Here's everyone watching the movie with the chimney and the door open. Careful about the Mr. Alf is here. Gaming, we burnt the popcorn. Hurry up, Joseph! Come on! Wow! Aw, look at the little lovebirds. Alright guys, so we're about to school these mother truckers on how to play pool.
Wait. So I got 10. I got a 10.
Yeah.
Come on, Joseph.
Me and Joseph are fighting. No, Joseph, don't touch those. It's gonna be me. This is gonna be Joseph's. Go there, break it.
Do I shoot the ball from here?
Yeah.
Okay, so right now that once I shoot it.
Oh! Nobody did it.
So I'm straight.
Okay.
Our goal is to make the pool.
So now it's your turn?
No, you.
I can beat. I want the ball. I want the old ball.
Alright guys, so now la tragazón todavía no se acaba. Now it's chilaquiles time. Mela's over there making chilaquiles. Josiah's over there. What are you doing, Papa? Supervising? Oh, she's instigating
the next family.
And the freaking Alf got into the damn bananas. I thought we left our Alf at home porque es bien vago. That we taped his ass to the freaking fridge so he can stop getting into stuff. But Andrew brought his and she got into the bananas. There's Melanie's French toast. She's putting all the berries necessary. So we already cleared out the breakfast and now it's time for the pozole. We still have tamales, you know, for the recalentado. Mi mamá se está aventando un pozolazo, dámela. We're getting ready to head out to do a snowmobiling. I'm gonna show you
Let's behave. Let's be good boy.
the OTD.
OMG.
Are you recording already? This is me. I look like Michelin. I look like big. But we got. I'm 2.5 seconds away from.
What is that like? Like 3 feet of snow?
I think so.
Like 3 feet of snow.
I think that's the snow park where people just go and like play with like sleds. So we might probably come over here on Sunday because I know it's closed up here. So we're gonna go snowmobiling right now. We've never done snowmobiling before, so we're kind of excited. Jose's gonna be my driver since I drive him everywhere. Do you guys see all the snow in the mountains? This is Alpine County line. Wow. I have an injury.
What happened?
Well, you see how it bends right there? Like on the leather? It's bending inwards and it's hurting. So that's what we're renting for today.
Those?
Yeah.
Nah. No, we're not.
Yeah.
Those?
Yeah. Guys, we finally made it here. We're on the snowmobile resort. Here's my husband. How do you feel, husband? Are you ready?
Ready.
And then we're gonna go get the skis or motorcycles. This is us right here. Ooh. They had a little snowstorm, just a little one, a couple of inches. Look at all the inches of snow. Right there. Here comes our instructor.
The clock store. The 2
Guys,
hours.
we got our motorcycle.
You know what? I'm gonna do my
Tapia,
best.
So I clip this on my jacket?
Okay.
what is that?
But I can only do what I
I think so, like in case you fall.
Oh my god, after like 2 hours of this man talking, giving us instructions, Jose,
Snowman right there, look.
we're finally, let me see, is my thing working? The last time I was dying. Okay. Hijo de la ch... Oh. There is Jose! They gave the wrong man the keys. There's Josiah and Natalie is behind us. Alma and Melanie. We also got Bebe over there and Ganian. And then my husband whose keys need to be revoked. He's screwing around. He does not understand. It's 25 miles an hour. What do you feel about leaving your jacket, huh?
Should have left this still.
Yeah, right. I bet your freaking hands are freezing.
No,
They're not?
my hands are good.
My hands are freezing. I have the little butt warmer, so it feels really good.
Yeah, those are good, huh?
Yeah.
My face feels so like frosted.
We're waiting for the rest of the crew to come in because
Why are you being slow? Just are you scared?
what happened?
Let's figure it out. Turn it off.
This is our halfway line. We can go through here and take pictures. Thanksgiving. Who's gonna take pictures of me?
Well, I didn't want to get yelled at because they're not my fault.
Where's my husband? Husband. Is it the elevation? Cause pictures are not cute. Let's take a picture. Where are you going? Beautiful. All right, guys. So this is a halfway line to our destination. We just stopped to get a little bit of the flicks. My husband ditched me. Ow, I'm burned.
You gave it like a wrecking ball? That was literally your anthem right now. Why would you do that?
It's my baby. He came prepared with the ski mask and everything. I bet his face is not freezing like mine. Like he helps his girl up in his jet ski. Guys, we're going down. Yo! Go, husband. Go! Oh. Go, husband. Go, husband. It is so cold, I can't feel my face. There's my baby in the back. My arms, my hands are gonna fall off. Guys, my face is so cold. My fingers, I can't feel the tip of my fingers. And I have gloves with warmers. Wait, where are we going? Okay, everybody's getting here. But how does your face feel?
Fuck.
You can't feel it?
I mean, it's getting better now,
Yeah.
but fuck.
I know. I'm feeling mobility on my face. My fingers, the tips of them are so cold. Oh my gosh, I can't feel my chin. My mocos are freezing. Wait, are we on the wrong side? Hey guys, we just showed up here and my mom, look at her Christmas decorations. We weren't able to get a tree here, so that's her little Christmas tree. And then she got little gifts. They're props. And the tamales, guys. And she has us, can you see? El pozole on deck. Queen, ahorita nos vamos a aventar un pozolazo, mírala. Y luego cuidó a los niños y todo, dámela. Sí. She took care of the kids while we were out snowmobiling because the kids couldn't come. There's Bebe. Ay, me tumbé la nariz. So this is our little setup, guys. That's my plato de pozole. I'm gonna dip my tamales in my pozole. There's the hubby's plate. Everyone's beasting because guys, so this is gonna be it for today. I want to say happy holidays and hope that you guys spend it with all your loved ones. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on everything. Hit the notification bell so you can get notification every time I post a video. Gosh, these stairs. That is it, guys. Bye.